In your path on seeking success, there could be instances when you will be lured to scam people or become dishonest. You may gain immediate profits at the moment, but the negative effects of your actions to your reputation will taint your name for a lifetime. If you want to succeed in investing, for you to increase your net worth by working on your investment portfolio or stocks, you can learn from the greatest investors like Philip Fisher on growth stocks, Jack Bogle and Vanguard Group, Benjamin Graham, the father of value investing, Warren Buffett, the sage of Omaha, Charlie Munger on multiple mental models approach on investments, and more. If you do your part and follow the paths of these successful people, you will soon see yourself achieving your goals. And I have to remind you again that it is often easier said than done.